my peeps? What's up, my good peeps? How are you today? This is your girl Tiona Brown Sugar in the kitchen once more. Come and join me, guys, my beautiful peeps, my family. And today, guys, in my kitchen we're gonna make okra punch. So it's okra, a little bit of peanut. And how you prepare it, I have my okra here. I just go and boil it like for 5 to 10 minutes to get the stain out. And the same water I used to boil it is the same thing I'm going to use to blend it. So today I'm going to make okra punch. I have a little raw oats, maybe half cup. I soak my peanut, raw peanut, it's about half cup or so. You can use a cup or half cup. A little bit of vanilla, a little bit of rose water, some cinnamon, and this is Jamaican allspice. I'm gonna tip a little bit in it as well. I already put the amount I want in here. Sweetened condensed milk, nutmeg, and I have my grater. 1 nutriment. You can use Ensure, Suppligent, Booster, whatever you have. 1 jug and stout, and 2 ripe bananas. And you can serve this over crushed ice or you can let it chill. So guys, we're gonna jump right into my video. First, I'm gonna put my raw peanut inside, and this time I'm just gonna top in my oats because I need to blend it too. And the next step is my okra with the water and everything. I'm gonna add, at the same time, I'm gonna add the dragon. So good. I'm gonna put some vanilla, just about a quart. That will do. A little bit of rose water. Ooh, guys, it smells so good. A little bit of nutmeg. That's it for the nutmeg. And I have my spice here. This is my cinnamon, and I'm going to dump that in. And this is my allspice, Jamaican allspice. Dump that in as well. Dump that in. And I have my ripe banana. And guys, I'm gonna just put a little bit of milk. You can put half can, quarter can, depends on the amount. I'm just gonna judge it to the amount I have in my blender. So I put a little over quarter can, not half, just a little over quarter. But you can put just quarter if you want, if you don't want it to be too sweet. And now guys, I'm gonna blend it, and then you're gonna blend it and let it be no more. It's gonna be refined. And then you're gonna serve this till there's nothing left. It's gonna come smooth and creamy. Now guys, I'm gonna show you my Jamaican okra punch with raw peanut. Can you see that, guys? There you go. Woo. And I'm just gonna pour it in my glass, in my container. Woo. See how rich and creamy? Oh. It smells so good. And I have my glass with some ice, and I'm gonna pour that in. Ooh. So good, guys. Smells yum. So guys, here you have it, a tall glass of okra and raw peanut punch. And I tip a little bit of oats and some nutriment. This is also a drink to put back the energy in your body. This is an energy drink, an energy builder. This is for work, for play, for fun time. Guys, the okra in your body is good for your joints. It's good for your intestines. This, guys, is the drink for all ages. And if you don't want, you don't have to put any alcohol in it. You just go ahead and make it with the other ingredients. Please, guys, try my okra and raw peanut punch. It will last a long time. It gives you satisfaction. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to your beautiful girl Brown Sugar channel. And we're gonna dance all day and we're gonna dance all night, drinking all these Jamaican fantastic punches. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm gonna have a little bit of taste, okay? I'm telling you, I have never been to heaven yet. I want to one day, but right now, this here on earth, it's heaven. It's good for parties, good for romance. Guys, come on here. Thanks so much, guys. Peace out.